How to create a user in Microsoft Azure using Entra ID option. Access the portal menu in Azure. Access the Microsoft Entra ID. There in Microsoft Entra ID, go to Manage. Under Manage, you have Users option. Access the Users option. Go to All Users. It will display all users that are created on the Azure account. Here, click New User option. Select Create New User. Specify a username. Copy this user information. Choose a display name for your user. Either let the password be there from the system, or you can specify your own password. Whatever be the case, you will have to change the password. So let's use the system generated password for now. Copy this. Coming back to Azure, say next. I'm not adding any properties using first name, last name, those information. Say next. Add a role to the user. Which role you want to give. So it's a role-based access. I'm giving a global administrator role. He can do everything. A global administrator can manage all aspects of Microsoft Entra ID and Microsoft services that use Microsoft Entra identities. So this is kind of a top role. Global administrator, select, add a group. To allow this user to be able to log in and create resources on Azure, the user should have access to the Azure subscription. This group already has access to the Azure subscription. Select this, select. Group is added, role is added. Say next, create. This will create the user. Access the portal. Use a username that you just created. Say next. It will prompt you for the password. Specify the password. Sign in. It will prompt you to change the password. Specify the password again. Choose a new password. Say sign in. Our new user is created and we are able to access the Azure with the new user. When logging in for the first time, Azure gives you a welcome wizard. You can cancel this or you can use this to explore. It also gives you a tool to access your Azure. Create a resource option, Home tab, Dashboard, All services, where all Azure services are available. You can add your services to the favorites, and you can edit your favorites by selecting or deselecting the star against the service name. Global search to find resources. Copilot to get help with Azure using natural language. This option gives you a notification panel, shows you all the notifications. Help and support option to open a support request. Default directory to change the password. For example, to change a password for your Azure account, simply access this option. Go to View Account. Access the Change Password option. It will prompt you to sign in again. Select your account. It will prompt you for the current password. Then it will prompt you to enter the new password. Click Submit and your password should be changed.